Good evening to one and all present here. I welcome each one of you on behalf of all students for this virtual celebration of Teachers' Day 2020. It is said, if there were no teachers, all other professions would not exist. That's so true. Whatever we are today, or anyone successful people round the world, everyone has a teacher standing at his back for his success. You are the most precious soul on this earth. So, here are various students of BCA department who took effort to make sure that this day becomes more special for our dear teachers. And so, we are here to celebrate this occasion with various loves for all you teachers. Let's not take much of time and start with the celebration. I would request Nitin sir to play the video one, which is by all students wishing their lovely teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले चलेगा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई
हेलो हेलो तू मच है तुमने लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई
तेरा मुझे बड़ा तड़पावे तू देख तो अज भी दिल पर गुड़िए तीर जाइक जल जावे कर दे बिन पिए शराबी चेहरा तेरा गुलाबी कोई क्यों ना यमला बन जावे जो इतनी हो बेताबी
हेलो हेलो दिल दिल से कनेक्ट करना येलो येलो ये बातें डायरेक्ट करना
Wow. I give all this video credits to Fareen. She has actually made a very beautiful video. So now we move ahead. Next, we have a dance performance by Shirley Lawrence, a student of TYBCA 1. So can you play video 2?
मेरी से परनीत आ जाओ ना तो सही ऐसी मन की है सच्ची तुम हो सितारों की भरी हुई गलती सॉरी हमने गाया तुम क्यों सुनी किसकी मर्जी जो थे अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा हमको ले
Wow, Shirley, that was an amazing performance. Great. Next, we have witnessed too many changes during this lockdown period. Here is a small effort by Ms. Shreya Shetty, PY1, showing the different teaching changes in her own unique comedy way. Sir, can we have video 3?
Students, listen to me very carefully because this topic is really very. Guys, what is going on? Can you please keep quiet? कितनी बातें करते हो यार तुम लोग? All the time you are like he he hu he hu ha. Come on, share with me also. I will also laugh. हाँ, अभी सब शांत हो गए. Now let's concentrate on the topic, okay? Okay, is it clear now, girls? Please unmute yourself and speak. वीडियो तो बंद ही रखते हो तुम लोग. कुछ बोलो. अच्छा लगता है तुम लोग की आवाज़ सुनने को. बोलो 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 बोलो. Yeah, you answer the question. Stand up. Say something.
मैम
अरे बाबा, एटलीस्ट कुछ तो समझा होगा इस टॉपिक में. कुछ तो वही बता दो. चलो, एटलीस्ट से दैट मच. नॉड योर हेड. एटलीस्ट नॉड योर हेड. येस और नो. समझा कुछ? आर यू गोइंग टू स्टैंड लाइक दैट ओनली? टॉपिक का नाम नहीं पता है, सब्जेक्ट का नाम पता है आपको, वही बता दो. ओके, एक काम करो, गेट आउट ऑफ माई क्लास. चलो. सेजल.
यस मैम.
या, नाउ यू आंसर द क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग?
मैम यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल.
ओके, व्हाट इज ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग? She left the meeting only. This is nice, हाँ? अभी तो ज़रूरत भी नहीं है बोलने की कि get out of my class. You only leave the meeting. One system. Now let's see what is a closed system. 1 second, guys. Hello. I'm in a lecture right now. I'll call you after 15 minutes. Okay? Yeah. Sorry for the interruption, guys. Where was I? Let us understand
Mummy.
basics first. So, what I was going to tell you.
मम्मी.
बेटा मेरा लेक्चर चल रहा है. And whatever we will do today is.
मम्मी मार रही है दीदी.
निशा बेटा, please understand. Yeah. So what I was telling.
वो और मार रही है.
God, तुम भी मारो उसको फिर. Is it clear to everybody? Any doubts? Girls, sit straight. Look at yourself. I don't want this dull faces, huh? Sit straight. And don't put your hands on your face, huh? Like this. Keep your hands down. So I think this is enough for today. So before winding up the lecture, Sneha, are you sleeping?
No ma'am.
Please don't lie. I saw you sleeping on your bed. Please. Guys, at least during the lectures, sit straight. Online lecture तो क्या तुम लोग लेट के सो के सब lecture attend करोगे? Please. Who was that making weird noise? Please don't disturb my class, huh? If you want to leave, please leave. I will give you the attendance. Don't worry about that. This was all about. Guys, please mute yourself. अरे किसका प्रेशर कुकर बज रहा है कब से? 5 सीटी मार चुका है वो. अभी तो बंद करो, फट जाएगा वरना. और ऐसा क्या पक रहा है उसमें? 5 सीटी हो गया. सॉरी अगर बोर हुआ तो. आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी. बट या, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल माई लवली टीचर्स एंड हैप्पी टीचर्स डे.
I don't think so श्रेया किसी को बोर हुआ रहेगा. किसी को हुआ क्या बोर?
नहीं, बहुत मजा आया.
Not at all. It was so nice. Very nice.
It was actually very awesome. And I think even her sister contributed as in background actor. And
Oh, so sweet.
say thank you to her also. Okay. So next we move to next performance. We have Kartiki Yeripudi from SY1 singing a beautiful song for all our dear teachers.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Hi, I'm Kartiki Yeripudi from SYBCA and I'm over here to thank all the respected teachers who supported us in this pandemic. So I'm going to dedicate some songs for them. खुल गया आसमां का रास्ता देखो, खुल गया मिल गया, खो गया था जो सितारा, मिल गया हो रोशन हुई सारी जमीन, जगमग हुआ सारा जहां, हो उड़ने को तू आजाद है, बंधन कोई अब है कहाँ, तू धूप है चम से बिखर, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश हाँ तेरी तो मंजिल है वही, क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू, कभी हाथ पकड़ के तू मेरा चल दे, कभी हाथ छुड़ा के मैं तेरा चल दूं. मैं थोड़ी सी मूड़ी हूँ तू थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी है, क्या खूब ये जोड़ी है तेरी मेरी, तुम मिले तो मिल गया ये जहां, तुम मिले तो मिल गया है नया, तुम मिले तो मैंने पाया है खुदा, तुम मिले तो जादू छा गया, तुम मिले तो जीना आ गया, तुम मिले तो मैंने पाया है खुदा.
Wow, Kartiki, what a voice. We really enjoyed it. Next, we have a small video by the theatre team giving out a lovely message.
रोए जब हम तो सहारा बने आप, हंसे जब हम तो हमारी हंसी बने आप,
हमारी हार में सहारा दिया आपने, हमारी जीत में जीना सिखाया आपने.
माँ जैसा संभाला है आपने, आपकी तारीफ करते समय शब्द कम पड़ जाते हैं.
आपकी आंखों में हम सुकून पाते हैं, आपकी आंखों में हम सुकून पाते हैं. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे. सो टीचर्स डे है, आप भी घर में हम भी घर में. अगर कॉलेज में होते तो कुछ ना कुछ सेलिब्रेशन करते, लेकिन अभी सभी घर में है तो सबने सोचा कि मैम के लिए एक छोटा सा सरप्राइज़ देते. सो हम सब ने एक छोटा छोटा वीडियो करके आपके लिए एक छोटा सा सरप्राइज़ दिया है. सो मैम क्या कहूँ मैं आपके बारे में, आप सब लोग नॉट ओनली वन, सब लोग इतने अच्छे हो, इतना अच्छे से हमें समझ के लेते हो, चाहे वो पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम हो या कुछ कॉलेज के बारे में हो या कुछ भी हो, स्टडी के बारे में प्रॉब्लम हो, आप सब ने हमें इतना अच्छे से समझ के लिया है, इतना अच्छे से सिखाते हैं. कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो, आप कभी भी हमें इग्नोर नहीं करते, कभी भी नहीं, और आज तक ये मुझे नहीं, किसी को भी ये अनुभव नहीं आया होगा. सो मैम, वी ऑल लव यू, एंड टू ऑल माई लवली टीचर्स, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे.
लॉकडाउन के वजह से हम घर पे हैं और कॉलेज नहीं जा सकते, बट हमें टीचर्स की, कॉलेज की और हमारे फ्रेंड्स की बहुत याद आ रही है. पर कॉलेज में होते समय हमें बिल्कुल भी घर की याद नहीं आती थी. सो हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू माय लवली टीचर्स.
To all my lovely teachers, happy Teachers Day.
So true. Our teachers are ever ready to help us, no matter what it is. Thank you all teachers. Next, we have our students of PCA department making a wonderful use of technology. Staying apart. Sir, मेरा बोलना important नहीं है क्या? Let me speak.
Sorry, भाई का फोन है, sorry.
That's okay, it's okay. So by clubbing videos, like two people are performing separately at their homes, but they have clubbed the videos so beautifully, and their dance is actually, worth seeing. So I would request sir to kindly play the video.
दो नैन सितारे है चांद सा मुखड़ा, क्या कहना उसका आफरीन. दावत में जैसे हो शाही टुकड़ा, उसके जैसी न कोई नाज़नीन. शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के, वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है. शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन के, वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है. शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के, वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है. शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन के, वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है.
Great, Avantika and Aditi. That was really a very nice performance. Next, we have Sania from SY1 with her beautiful Shairi video.
Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers who taught us various value in every step of our life. On this auspicious day, I would like to greet my hearty wishes to my lovely teachers in some memorable way. And so, here I am with a small शायरी dedicating to all of you. जो बनाया हमें इंसान और दे सही गलत की पहचान, देश के उन निर्माताओं को करते हैं हम साक्षात प्रणाम. अक्सर हम सीखते सिखाते, शब्द शब्द का अर्थ बताते, कभी डांट से कभी प्यार से जीवन जीना हमें सिखाते. आपसे ही सीखा, आपसे ही जाना, आपको ही हमने गुरु है माना. सीखा है सब कुछ आपसे हमने, कल का मतलब आपसे है जाना. आपने बनाया मुझे इस योग्य की प्राप्ति करूं मैं अपना लक्ष्य. दिया है अपना हर समय इतना सहारा, जब भी लगा कि मुझे मैं हारा. यू आर नॉट ओनली आवर टीचर्स बट मोर आवर फ्रेंड, philosopher and guide, all molded into one. We will forever be grateful for your love and support towards us. Once again, wishing you a very happy Teachers Day.
I think नितिन सर को बहुत काम दे दिया. सर अभी आप 5 मिनट का ब्रेक ले लो, आपके लिए एक ब्रेक है छोटा सा. और बहुत परफॉर्मेंसेस भी हो गए. So अब हम थोड़ा सा let's have some fun time. So it's time to knock your brain, dear teachers. So basically it's a playtime. So in this there are a few riddles which Karim will be presenting. Only teachers can participate. No students is allowed to participate. If you participate, एक month तक तुम लोग college reopen होने के बाद you won't be given entrance in college. So don't participate now. Okay, only teachers will be participating, and you have 45 minutes to answer. No one can unmute your mic.
Sakshi, 45 seconds, not 45
Sorry. 45 seconds. You cannot unmute yourselves. Keep your chat box ready. The one who types the answer the earliest will be given a point. So Nuren will be calculating the points and Farin will be presenting the questions. So keep your chat box ready. As soon as you see the riddle, you can put the answer down in the chat box. All ready? Ready, teachers?
Yes. Yes. साक्षी मेरे को एक बार हिंट दे कि प्रेजेंट दिख रहा है या नहीं.
You start presenting.
Okay. आया?
हाँ.
साक्षी.
हाँ. Your screen is visible.
Ready?
Ready, teachers? So here is your very first question. Farin, please display the first question. You measure my life in hours and I serve you by experiencing. I am quick when I'm thin and slow when I'm fat. The wind is my enemy. Guess the answer. Seconds more. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Farin, can you please put the right answer? Or can you say the right answer?
It is candle. Candle.
Okay. I guess
candle is a fire and candle. Maybe half moon.
No, sir, half नहीं. I guess Cinderella ma'am ने सबसे पहले आंसर दिया है candle. Am I right, Farin?
मैं chat box नहीं देख सकती. Present कर दिया ना.
अच्छा. Okay, I'll say.
Yes, actually, Cinderella is first. Cinderella
ma'am is first. Okay. So Nuren, please note this point goes to Cinderella ma'am. Okay.
For second one.
Please, display the second question. I have cities but no houses. I have mountains but no trees. I have water but no fish. What am I? And your time starts now. Okay, stop. So I guess Kavita ma'am has given the right answer. Farin, what's the answer?
The answer was map.
Oh, so yes, Kavita ma'am is right. All teachers have given the right answer, but ma'am was the first to give the answer. So this point goes to Kavita ma'am. I think 45 seconds is too long. We'll make it to 20 seconds. 20 seconds is
Okay.
Sir, आप गूगल करो मत. गूगल रखो साइड में. इसलिए 20 seconds बोला.
हाँ. Okay. Next question.
Okay, fine. Next question.
Okay. Yes.
छोटे से है मटकू दास. कपड़े पहनने हैं 105. बताओ कौन?
105.
Time has already started. More 10 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. I guess. Melina, no. Melina ma'am has given the right answer. What's the answer?
Yes, the answer was onion.
Yeah, right. So, Melina ma'am has given the right answer. Please add a point to Melina ma'am. Nurin, I hope you're noting the points. Why cheating, Neetu ma'am? Okay, let's move to the next question. Fourth one.
Okay.
You see a boat filled with people. It has not sunk, but when you look again, you don't see a single person on the boat. Why? And your time starts now. 20 seconds. Five more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Okay. Sakshi, may answer.
What's the answer?
Bol. The answer was because all the people were married.
Oh, so that was the answer. Great. So I guess no one gets point in this. Okay.
Good one.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am. Next Farin. ऐसा कौन सा खजाना है जिसे जितना ज्यादा लुटाया जाए वह उतनी ही ज्यादा बढ़ता जाता है? Time has already started. Five more minutes, 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. What's the answer?
The answer is knowledge.
Knowledge. It was again Kavita ma'am giving the answer at the earliest. Answer has written education. So is
साक्षी सर के बाद मेरा है.
I can see Kavita ma'am.
कविता मैम के ऊपर.
I can see. अच्छा, what others can see? I can see.
कविता मैम के ऊपर मंजोत मैम का था. मंजोत मैम का था ऊपर.
मंजोत मैम है.
Okay, fine. Then Manjot ma'am gets.
मेरे इसमें वैसे दिख रहा है. मेरे से कविता मैम दिख रही.
मेरे से
नहीं, लेकिन आंसर देते टाइम पहले मंजोत मैम का आया था, फिर कविता मैम का आया.
दोनों
कविता मैम एंड मंजोत.
Okay. Next question.
Okay, next question. What word in the English language does the following? The first 2 letters signify a male. The first 3 letters signify a female. The first 4 letters signify a great, while the entire word signify a great woman. What is the word? Time has already started. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. What's the answer, Fareem?
It is heroine.
Heroine. अच्छा, कुछ explain कर सकते हैं क्या?
अरे हीरोइन की स्पेलिंग क्या है?
अच्छा, okay. Okay. So I guess किसी का ये point नहीं जाता है. Right? Sorry, sir? हाँ, right. No points. Next, फरीन ये कौन सा क्वेश्चन था?
मतलब?
Fifth one था ना?
हाँ.
Okay, then more 5 questions to go.
Yes.
Okay, next question. वो क्या है जो आप किसी को देने के बाद भी रख सकते हो? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Pareen, what's the answer?
Promise.
Oh, I guess we haven't got any answer as such. Knowledge, love, Khushi. Okay. So again, no one gets point for this. Next question. एक सेकेंड. नूरेन, अभी तक क्या स्कोर है?
This was a good one, huh?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nurain? Okay, fine. Let's not waste time. For the next question.
Okay.
What disappears as soon as you say its name? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop.
Sakshi, the answer is silence.
Silence. So, Kavita ma'am ने silent लिखा है and Sharda ma'am ने silence लिखा है. So, let's be more precise and give this
Hey,
point.
typing mistake.
Ma'am. Khan sir, please suggest किसको marks जाने चाहिए?
मुझे लगता है नहीं मुझे एक मिनट इसमें क्या लिखा है एक मिनट
कविता मैम ने साइलेंट लिखा है शारदा मैम ने साइलेंस
आंसर क्या है साइलेंस है
आंसर साइलेंस है
उषा मैम व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बोथ
No, silence is the noun, that is the one which you should use.
Okay, then Kavita ma'am.
Silence.
Silence is right?
Yes. Silence.
Okay.
Sharda
So we give this point to Sharda ma'am. Okay. Next question. 8-1.
Nurain, Sharda ma'am का नाम. Next question.
सोमवार का दिन था. 2 चोर बैंक लूट कर एक कार में भागे. पुलिस ने चोर का पीछा किया. पीछा करने पर पता चला कि चोरों की कार के पीछे की नंबर प्लेट की लाइट्स खराब थी और पुलिस की जीप की हेडलाइट्स खराब थी. बताओ पुलिस ने उन चोरों को कैसे पकड़ा? वाओ, नाइस क्वेश्चन.
Please read the question. It is not readable.
ओके. सोमवार का दिन था. 2 चोर बैंक लूटकर एक कार में भागे. पुलिस ने चोरों का पीछा किया. पीछा करने पर पता चला कि चोरों की कार के पीछे की नंबर प्लेट की लाइट्स खराब थी और पुलिस की जीप की हेडलाइट्स खराब थी. बताओ पुलिस ने उन चोरों को कैसे पकड़ा? Should I repeat it again?
साक्षी टाइम एक्सटेंड कर दे.
हाँ, I'll definitely extend that. Ten more seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stop.
साक्षी आंसर था इट वाज मतलब दिन का टाइम था ना तो लाइट की जरूरत ही नहीं थी.
Oh, अच्छा, okay. Let's see.
Sharda ma'am.
Sharda ma'am. The point goes to Sharda ma'am. Okay. Next question. Nurain noted Sharda ma'am. This belongs to you, but everyone else uses it. What's it? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Sakshi, the
answer is
name.
And I guess Kavita ma'am is the first one to answer.
Yes,
Right?
Yes.
So Kavita ma'am gets this point. ये कौन सा question था? 9th one?
हाँ, 9.
So, do you want 2 more questions, 3 more questions, or should this be the final one?
Sakshi, only 1 question left.
You don't have. I guess you have more questions with you.
I have, but ये वाले PPT में 10 ही है.
Okay, fine. Well, then this as the last question. Okay. Last question. Ready, teachers? Which word in the dictionary is always spelled incorrect?
Incorrectly.
Incorrectly. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. What's the right answer?
Incorrectly only.
Incorrectly only. Okay. I think Neetu ma'am has given the right answer.
Yes.
So this point goes to Neetu ma'am. So Nurain, can you just tell us? Nurain, who's the winner? What are the scores? Kavita ma'am, 3 points. Okay. Baki sab 1 point. Ma'am, no, this is not the policy. Least point is 0 to you. Shada ma'am का 2 point है, I guess.
हाँ, मेरे 2 है.
शारदा मैम को 2 point है.
Okay. So definitely the first prize goes to Kavita ma'am and the second prize goes to Sharda ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, this
Thank you so much.
Okay.
We have kept the prizes, and you might get when we open this lockdown. Fine then. So I think you teachers had fun. This game was fun. Was it or not?
Yes.
Lot of fun. Enjoyed.
बहुत
It was nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay.
It was nice. कविता मैम ने जोर से बोला it was nice because you won. और शारदा ने बोला
अरे नहीं, because I enjoyed. Not because of anything.
Great effort, girls. Very good.
Thank you. Fine then. Let's move ahead. We have a small mix of questions वाला video. So let's.
फोटो कहाँ से लिए तुम लोगों ने ये बताओ. अच्छी फोटो लिए.
You can see when we play this. Please.
मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़ियां दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है. मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़ियां दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है. ढोंगी सा ये बड़ा ढीठ है, वायरल हो गया ये ट्वीट
पर फूल वूल करने में कूल तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है. शगन तेरी की लगन तेरी की हमने कर दी तैयारी है.
नचते ने सारे रंग मिल के आज हिले डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे. नचते ने सारे रंग मिल के आज हिले डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे. खसमानों का नहीं अल्लू बड़े करारे करम नाल आलू बड़े करारे. चढ़ चढ़ के चौबारे करम नाल स्वीटू आजा मारे. आलू बड़े करारे करम नाल आलू बड़े करारे. चढ़ चढ़ के चौबारे करम नाल स्वीटू आजा मारे. मुंडे पेलेंटी मेरे लिए हो गए सेंटी. तेरे लिए मैं सेट हूँ इस बात की गारंटी.
पर फूल वूल करने में कूल तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है. सहरा बांध के कूद फांद तुझे ले जाना इस बारी है.
नचते ने सारे रंग मिल के आज हिल डुल
रुठड़े रुठड़े जीजा फूफड़ हमने सारे मनाने
जोर जोर से शोर वोर कर डीजे गाने बजाने रुटड़े रुटड़े जीजा फुफड़ हमने सारे मनाने पर फूल वूल करने में कूल तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है शगन तेरी की लगन तेरी की हमने कर दी तैयारी है
नच देने सारे
नच देने सारे
नच देने सारे रल मिल के आज हिल डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे नच देने सारे रल मिल के आज हिल डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे नच देने सारे नच देने सारे
I hope you all liked it. How was it?
Great, great.
Very good.
Thank
Amazing.
you.
It was very nice.
Thank you.
Now I'll give you a set of photos, Sakshi, for the farewell.
I would actually request teachers to please post on their social media handles. It becomes very easy for students to search and then take pictures.
मेरे इसमें है ना?
हाँ, आपके लिए लगा।
अरे बाकी पता भी नहीं मेरे इसमें।
Okay, fine. We next we have a beautiful dance by Ritika, SY PCS student.
शाही टुकड़ा उसके जैसी न कोई नाज़नीं शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन की वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन की वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है
Great, great.
Good one. Actually, the previous video जो वो देखा हमने that was edited by Nurain. I forgot to give her the credits. That was very nice, Nurain. It was a great editing. And I forgot one more thing. Diya had made a beautiful a poster kind of thing for Prajakta ma'am. Though ma'am is not teaching us, but we still miss her. We miss her teaching, and we miss her all the moments which we spend with her. So, sir, can you please show that image which Diya had made? We have titled ma'am as our complicated concept decoder. And ma'am was actually a very good decoder, like she used to explain each and word to us. So we love you, Prajakta ma'am. If you see this recording, it's on behalf of all students. We love you a lot and we miss you a lot.
Lovely poster.
Send her this image, huh? Send her.
Yes, definitely. I'll do that. Next, now I would request Sejal from SY1 to say a few lines for all our dear teachers.
First of all, a very good evening to everyone and a very happy Teachers' Day to all our lovely teachers. I'd like to thank Sakshi for giving me this opportunity yet again to write something for all our lovely teachers. I thought that maybe we aren't in college and we'll of course celebrate it virtually. So to make this Teachers' Day extra special for all you teachers, I have a thank you note for each one of you. So please sit back, relax and listen. Starting off, dear Khan sir, thank you for your patience. As I said previously, handling an entire department over 300 teenagers like us does seem like a Herculean task to all of us. But thank you for always doing it with a smile, for always proving it to us that no matter where we go, Discipline, sincerity, and obedience to your institution is what is ultimately expected and should be followed. You are a storehouse of knowledge, and thank you for showering us with the same, for managing us when we were unmanageable, and standing high and tall when we needed you. Thank you for being that selfless. We all love you. Next, dear Kavita ma'am, thank you for making one of the most dreaded subjects interesting. I've known teachers who asked us to mug up math formulas, but never was the logic behind it ever explained. Thank you for doing that for us. Your passion for maths reflects in the way you teach, in the way you make those curvy equations seem so easy in minutes. I don't know if anyone has told you this, but if Matt was himself a student, he would have surely loved the teacher that you are. Thank you, and we all love you. Dear Usha ma'am, thank you for teaching us that life will always throw all sorts of challenges at you. But what matters at the end of the day is how you deal with it, with all the positivity out there. For teaching us that no matter how educated you are, what also matters is what your personality is and the way you carry yourself. Thank you for touching our lives with immense values and carving our way towards maturity. This lockdown was definitely stressful, but you taught us to always look at the bright side and deal with it with a smile. Today we promise, no matter how difficult it may get, we'll keep our head up high and fight. Dear Manjot ma'am, thank you for making learning fun. You made us realize that you don't always need to learn something with a straight face. Sometimes that little curve on your face too can work. So thank you for making those boring lessons interesting and always tolerating our inquisitive mind with a bright smile. That smile even makes a difficult concept easy. For checking on us, and yes ma'am, हम कुछ नहीं करते, lecture में खुद interruption आ जाता है. Thank you, and we love you. Dear Neetu ma'am, thank you for breaking the convention for us, for being an inspiration, and for teaching us in your own unique way that a woman can be a wife, sister, daughter, mother, and ultimately herself too. No matter which field you get in, you can always have time for your own passion. So the next time any student right here has a bag full of excuses, know that all you're lacking is passion. We all love you and thank you. Dear Sharda ma'am, thank you for mentoring all of us and making sure that we all get equal opportunities and only shine bright. For being a fantastic leader to us and for always cheering us up and encouraging everyone to participate. For stressing on the fact that a competition is just not about winning or losing. What matters is if you participated in it or not. For being a constant inspiration and a lovely teacher. Thank you, and we all love you. Dear Melina ma'am, thank you for making English fun. Thank you for making us realize that English isn't only getting your punctuations right. For bearing with us with those presentations where everyone comes with their own sorts of problems and you patiently sort it out even though you have your own zillions to be solved. For making us realize that environmental science is not just a subject to be taught in colleges, but a fuming topic to stress upon and speak up about. For cheering us all up when we needed it. Thank you, and we all love you. Dear Nitin sir, thank you for making us understand that hardware can be as fun as software. What matters is the way you see every subject. For teaching us that every code, every subject will have a specific pattern, and all you need to do is decode it and get through. From being a ray of hope for all sorts of technical support, just like we needed you today, to saying that one line, "Bachcho ke liye kuch bhi." Thank you, and we all love you. Dear Sudha ma'am, thank you for making us realize that education is important, but the discipline and the ethics that you imbibe while educating yourself goes a long way. That discipline isn't only something that is meant for schools, but in all walks of life. That a teacher isn't only the one who explains a subject to you, but can also be your only cheerleader even if the crowd is against you. for always being there and making coding as easy as it could get for all of us. Thank you, and we all love you. Dear Snehal ma'am, thank you for always being out there and always hearing us, even though we sounded absolutely nonsensical. We all admire your patience. The way you deal with us and our mischievous batch and still laugh with us is commendable. Thank you for making every term, every concept simple. TBMS does look like a big challenge, but then at the end of the day, we know there's Snehal ma'am who can sort out a sole database of perpetual doubts. Thank you, and we all love you. Dear Shilpa ma'am, thank you for bearing with us. Thank you for making those codes easy for us in your own way. Yes, we may be grown-ups now, but the minute you say, "Bachcho samjhana," "Bachcho, ye bachche bhi na," online class mein bhi later, does make us feel special, and we are still those innocent kids in school all over again. For making that cryptic coding easy, especially during this pandemic, thank you, and we all love you. Dear Cinderella ma'am, thank you for making those intricate softwares super easy for us, for making value-added lectures fun and tolerating us when we were absolutely annoying, for still having that smile on your face no matter how exhausted you were, for laughing at our mischief, to always encouraging us when we couldn't understand certain functions. Thank you for being that fun. We all love you. Dear Prajakta ma'am, thank you for being super cheerful during the lectures and extremely precise while explaining concepts. Thank you for breaking down cryptic lessons into much easy versions in no minutes. Now that you're seas away from us, do know you're still in our hearts. The distance, the difference is huge, but not much to grow us apart. You'll be missed, and we all love you even more than we ever did. Dear Rikisha ma'am, thank you for making us realize that our routine might be important, but what also matters at the end of the day is how fit we are. In this pandemic, when all were speaking less about the immune system, you made us realize that yoga and workout will prove to be our savior. For ensuring that we stay fit, especially during this pandemic, and always stressing on the fact that physical fitness can go a much longer way. Thank you, and we all love you. I'd like to reckon by saying that this pandemic was difficult for all of us, but it was definitely extra difficult for all teachers. And still, you all did it selflessly and with a constant smile on your face, just like you all have now, even though you all are so exhausted. We all know that teaching online definitely isn't your comfort zone. You all need those lively classrooms and your students in front of you. Virtual teaching can never replace the actual classrooms. But all of you walked out of your comfort zone and literally rocked this virtual teaching too. Teachers, I tell you, even if they are told to climb mountains for their students, they'll still do it without giving it a thought. We, the batch of 2020 today, would like to thank each and every teacher right here for your efforts and salute your indomitable spirit. Thank you so much.
Excellent, Sejal.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excellent.
Right.
Great.
For each one. Superb.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sejal, it was really very nice. Even I could feel all those what you said. Our teachers are really something very special. Something there is something different about something.
Yes, surely.
Thank you, teachers. Thank you so much. I would also like to add few lines for Mary ma'am. Though Mary ma'am doesn't teach us, but yet I have experienced ma'am because I have been working with the Gandhian committee. Ma'am is also a wonderful teacher. The way she speaks, I like it. The way she makes you laugh, even that is very cool. So even thank you, Mary ma'am, for being there and guiding, supporting whenever needed. Thank you, ma'am. So again, we are not at the end. We have one last performance left. I will not take much of your time, sure. This is the last performance. This video is made by Prajakta Kedare, a TYBCA student, TY1 student. She has literally arted all the teachers, she has made an artistic representation of all teachers' images. It is so beautiful that when you will see now, you'll actually feel what I said right now. It's very really beautiful. Thank you, Prajakta, well in advance. I know I've seen the video, so I know when teachers say, I guess they will even say the same thing. So I'll request Nitin sir to kindly play the video.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे होंगी, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे होंगी, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
मुझको बता तू रहता कहाँ, क्या तेरा पता, हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर हैं, जो ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता। ऐ खुदा मुझको बता तू रहता कहाँ, क्या तेरा पता, हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर हैं, ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता। यादा तेरी यादा आती है, जहाँ मेरी जान जाती है, तन्हाइयों में रहता हूँ, खुद से ही अक्सर ये कहता हूँ, क्यों तूने दिल तोड़ा, क्यों तूने यूं छोड़ा, क्यों तेरा अब भी रहे दिल को इंतजार, क्यों चली आती है, क्यों तड़पाती है, क्यों हूँ अब भी मैं यूं बेकरार। खुदा मुझको बता तू रहता कहाँ, क्या तेरा पता, हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर हैं, जो ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता।
होठों पे उंगली चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए आधी आधी बांट ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीन थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशिया
इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशिया
चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए आधी आधी बांट ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीन थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशिया
इतनी सी हंसी
सुपर वंडरफुल
मस्त
Thank you so much, girls. This was beautiful.
Thank you so much, teacher.
Super. I know, yeah, no word. Yes. Amazing. I think the best teachers.
Exactly, the best.
That's made us.
Every year we will have it virtually only.
In fact, the best thing of Corona is this Teachers Day. We could enjoy so much, otherwise college में ऐसा नहीं होता था Teachers Day. So thanks to Corona.
And we were all so bogged down, घर के अंदर locked. But this truly was a very welcoming change. Thank you so much. Excellent.
Thank you, teachers. I think this is because of the love which you guys have given us, and henceforth we are so much, willing that we should be also doing something for teachers who does so much for us. And I think that's why we have been able to do so much of things. And definitely a very, very, I don't have words to say for Prajakta. She has done a very beautiful work. And I will also mention this, that she started this somewhere around 3rd September. Not 3rd, she started something 4th yesterday. And आज उसने पूरा complete कर दिया. Wow. She did all the research.
Excellent.
Wonderful. And last moment pe she did so much of editing and things into it. Wonderful job, Prajakta. Very nice. Very nice.
Very, very beautiful.
Well done, Prajakta, and everybody else. Everyone.
Yes, definitely. There are many people behind this. Thank you all, and also big thanks to Melisha. She has designed such a beautiful invitation for all the teachers.
Yes.
The invitation which you saw was designed by Melisha. Even she has done a very nice job.
Good.
Wonderful.
Thanks to one and all my.
So proud of you all. So proud of you all.
All SYs, TYs, my friends, thank you all for doing such a lovely work, helping me and on so many things. And lastly, our teachers, you guys are great. I have no words for you, and I think there is no words also made for you guys. So I am short of words. Once again, wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thanks for giving us some time. I hope you all loved it. I hope you all enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Thank you, girls. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
So much, girls.
Thank you so much, girls.
Happy Teachers Day.
Nitin sir, our technical hero. Where is Nitin sir? Our technical hero. Sir, please pop up on the screen. Thank you for being there. As Sejal also said, "मैं हूँ बच्चों के लिए" is your tagline, and you actually mean that. Thank you for helping, sir. Thank you for helping every time, not only this time, every time. Thank you all teachers. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sakshi,
Yes, ma'am.
please share all the videos with me on my personal channel. I want all the performances.
Yes, sure.
We want to treasure it.
Put it in the CRGR group, na? We all want.
Okay. I'll do that.
Or maybe this recording, whatever, the recording of the celebration.
Okay, we'll share both the things. I have it in my drive. I'll share the link in CRGR wala group so that everyone can access it.
Yeah. This truly was the best Teachers Day ever.
Yes.
हमेशा बोलते थे सर क्या पका बहुत पकता है But ये हमारा boredom तोड़ दिया and we were like literally bored now. But today I feel refreshed. I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
Happy Teachers Day.
Thank you so much, girls.
Thank you, girls. Thank you.
Love you all.
Thank you, girls. Bye,
Love
girls.
you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am. Bye, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
Thank you.